I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with an image already in your Canva design. Once selected, you need the Effects panel open. Click Effects, then choose Background Remover and switch to the Magic Eraser tool so you can remove specific areas instead of everything. Use a mid-size brush to quickly erase large unwanted sections. This is faster than pixel-level work. Make sure you're zoomed in to about 100–200% for control. And remember that changes are non-destructive until you apply them. Now you refine edges and preserve subject detail. Start by erasing broad background areas with a larger brush, then reduce brush size for hair, edges, or intricate patterns. If you remove something important, switch to Restore and paint it back quickly. This explains why Magic Eraser is safer than a single global removal. Use the Zoom and Pan tools to inspect edges and toggle the transparency preview so you can see haloing. Make incremental strokes rather than one sweeping pass for cleaner results. Finish by applying the Magic Eraser edits and exporting as PNG with transparency if you need a cutout. Choose JPG only when a background is present. If edges look harsh, apply a subtle feather or use the Restore brush at low opacity to blend. This explains why small tweaks matter for professional output. If you see leftover artifacts, zoom in, restore them, then re-erase with a tiny brush. Make sure to save a copy of the original design so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.